How to turn off birthdays email notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off birthdays email notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now just click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and then notifications. Now just go down again until you find this one here, birthdays. Click on it and now just turn email off and go back. It will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.